Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rob here. Welcome to ThreadBanger. It's been a while. Haven't seen ya in a minute. Missed ya. Welcome back. We're sitting out front of Goodwill, which means that it is time for another upcycle, recycle, ThreadBanger upspin episode. I just made that up. I have no idea what that means. Actually, what it means is that we go inside Goodwill. We like to pick up various random old objects, repurpose and recycle them, and then we sneak them back into the store and redonate them. We have done this to porcelain figurines, stuffed animals. The very last time we did it to some art, which some of you picked up. This time around, we asked you what you wanted to see us do it to, and you said mugs, which is genius. There are so many mugs there, shelves and shelves of mugs. When you die, that's where your mugs go. When you break up with your boyfriend and your girlfriend, that's where your mugs go. Today, we're coming after those mugs. Boom, here they are. The good stuff. Look at these prices. 25 cents. What a bargain. World's greatest grandma. Classic. Well, hold on, I gotta get a basket. Oh, I will wipe that smirk smug right up your face. What's the approval process for getting something made into a mug? My God, it's crazy. First of all, you're really pretty. What's second? But first, coffee. Oh, so many things. Nice, quiet mug. I like it. Oh, God, you know what I just thought about? How many mouths have been on all of these mugs? Think about that. Ugh, yeah, okay, all right, let's get, we gotta get out of here. We gotta go. So these are the best. These are the best of the best. Are you ready to come down with me, down into the madness? Let's just get into it. There are a lot of these in Goodwill because I'll tell you what, grandmas are old and they die. And that's the unfortunate truth. So there are a lot of world's greatest grandma mugs. Hey, here's a little tea to put in your mug for you. I didn't really like my grandmother. She was kind of mean. And her house smelled. I probably had the world's worst grandmother. So I'm just gonna white it out. Just gonna white out world's greatest grandma, and I'm gonna put with a Sharpie. I'm just gonna write in worst. F it. Not everybody's the greatest. Sometimes you just gotta live with that. All right, what's next? Oh, this one's a good one. This one. Oh God. This one's my favorite one. First of all, you're really pretty, but there's nothing else on the mug. But like it's setting me up. First of all, you're really pretty, but secondly, but that's it. Then there's nothing else. I don't even get what happens next. I'll tell you what happens next. Secondly, I fucked your mom. No. I can't do that. I'm taking it back to Goodwill. Come on, Rob. You can't write that kind of stuff. It's scandalous. I slept with your mom. That's better. Come on. Another great selection from the dead grandmother cabinet. My grandma, my friend. You already know what I'm gonna write, you sick bastards. Do you? Oh, I'm a terrible person. Oh, God. Oh my God. That's terrible. It's gross. It's misguided. It's everything wrong with this channel. This is it may be a violation of something. Because this one is a little gross. What you do is just on the bottom, you just put ew, period. Okay, he's kidding, kind of. Is he? I don't know. Ew. Okay, alright, moving on to the next mug. These blank ones, these are fun, because you can write whatever you want on them. Oh, you're gonna love this one. This one's funny. Classic. Huh? You know what it is? You know what it is. Boom. Audible.com. Damn! You didn't even see that one coming! God, I'm good at this sponsorship game. I'm just gonna get straight into it. This month I am reading from Flea. That's right, Flea from the Red Hot Chili Peppers. He just put out an autobiographical novel / audiobook called Acid for the Children. I was interested, obviously, intrigued by the title. Started listening to it, and it was good. 9 hours. Me and Flea just hung out because it's him reading it. So it's just me and Flea hanging out, talking about his childhood, and him eating acid and mushrooms. It wasn't even about the Red Hot Chili Peppers, which, you know what? Between you and me, I can go either way with those guys. But Flea is pretty rad. Go on over to audible.com/ThreadBanger and get yourself, just sign up for the whole package. You know what I mean? You start with a free trial, you get hooked up with a free audiobook, and after that, you start earning a credit every month plus 2 Audible original credits. They've got podcasts over there, comedy performances, wellness programs. It's getting ridiculous. They got everything. You can also text ThreadBanger to 500-500. You can do it that way. There's a ton of ways. Sit back, relax, grab a mug, fill it with tea, listen to some Audible. It's as simple as that. All right, let's get back to some mugs. Now this is a coffee cup that just leaves itself open. Made just for me, just for this episode. Blank, but first coffee. It could be anything. Death, but first coffee. Email, work, talking, kids, but first coffee. You know, the first thing, obviously, that comes to mind, it's funny, you know, sex, but first coffee. It's provocative. I don't know, putting sex on something and then putting it in Goodwill, I think that may be pushing the line. I don't know. I think we could be good if we just put anal. You know what I mean? That's just human anatomy, just a part of the body. Anal, but first coffee. It's a body part. It's anatomy. It's anatomy. Let's go for that. Here's another real easy one. Pray, with plenty of room to elaborate what to pray for. And I went online and asked what you would put on it, and I got the most wonderful response from nobody. I mean, a lot of you actually responded, but nobody suggested that I cross out pray and then with a blood font put pray, P-R-E-Y. And that's exactly what I did. And I hope that's exactly what nobody wanted. So they had 2 pray cups at the store, and I bought both of them. I will put something a little bit more touching, a little nicer. Pray for something nice. Pray you die in your sleep. That's nice. It's a nice way to go. This mug is gonna fly off the shelf. This is gonna be a hot one. Boom. All right. What do we got next? Now we got these teacups, and they're really nice. They got little leaf indentions and like some fucking color spectrums and shit. I would drink the shit out of some tea in these. You know, you don't write anything on these. And so I'm just gonna put a little something on the bottom. And when you lift that glass high enough, there's gonna be a little surprise in the bottom for you and your friends that you're drinking your little fancy dance tea around. I'll tell you what, this is the scenario. Little old lady buys this tea set, sets it up in the nursing home for her and a few of her friends, gets a little fucking chamomile, gets a little English breakfast fucking ready. They all fucking sit around, they all talk about fucking, you know, tabernacle and Yahtzee and whatever they fucking talk about. And then, you know, they're all drinking their fucking tea, and one of them fucking spots it. One of them sees it finally that they're all flipping each other off, and they just bust into hysterical. Hysterical fucking laughter. The funniest goddamn thing they've ever seen. Then one of them, their fucking heart explodes. Their pacemaker fucking explodes and they die. Laughed themselves to death, all because of this teacup. I didn't see it. She didn't see it fucking coming. God damn. All because of that. You know what I mean? It's crazy how this world works. What next? We got another blank one over here. Yeah, I'm not even, this one is just gonna be, I'm putting just something real simple on the bottom of this one. You're not even gonna see it from the outside. I'm just putting a real simple, just a real simple GFY on the bottom of this one with a little paint pen. You may be asking yourself what GFY stands for. Good for you. Of course, you know, you get down to the bottom of the cup. Good for you. What else? We got a blank one. Let's do a blank one next. Blank cups are awesome because you can put whatever you want on them, obviously. It's a good canvas to get out your innermost demons, these blank ones. These are actually really good to sneak into your communal coffee cup cabinet. Try saying that 5 times fast. Communal coffee cup cabinet. Actually, it's not really that hard. Just throw them in there. Get weird mugs circulating around the office. If anyone comes asking, I don't know whose mug that is. Last step, just throw some clear coat of ceramic gloss on it to preserve them, and that's about it. All right, so we got all of our cups here. We got about 15 of them, and that's a pretty good amount to take back into the store. You can't take too many in, that's the thing. Otherwise it looks a little too suspicious. This box is gonna be about it. It's a box that they gave me already to take some of the mugs out that I bought, so it's an easy box just to bring right back in. I'm gonna pack them up with some paper so that they don't clink together, so that way I'm not rolling them in a cart and they're all clinking and people are looking at me. All right, we're packed up. You ready? Come with me. All right, I'm nervous. We're at the Goodwill. I got my box. I found this cart right here. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna put the box in the cart, and then I'm going to just wheel it into the store like it's no big deal. We did it. We did it. We have the package. The Eagle has landed. The package has arrived. Now we just put them back in the shelves. Picking them up and putting them down, like I'm looking at them just like a customer here. So far so good. Nobody mind me. Just putting that right there. Oh, yep. There, that one just goes right there. Oh, that's a nice mug. Nobody's looking. Well, it looks as if my work here is done. It's Sunday. So there's not really a lot of employees here, which means that I don't think anybody really gives a shit. Let's see, actually, which one am I gonna buy? I'm gonna go for this one. This one's kind of my favorite. Let's see if I can rebuy it up the front, see if they say anything. Hey, how are ya?
You want me to wrap it?
Yeah, that would be great. Don't want to break that. Awesome. Thank you very much. Have a good day. She got it. She got it. Well, that was it. We did it. We did it. Oh my God. Always an exciting time here on ThreadBanger. Upcycle, recycle, special. Oh my God. We did it. Oh. Whew. What a rush. Let's get the out of here before somebody comes out and what catches us. All right, I gotta get some hand sanitizer, you know what I mean? All right, let's get out of here. Well, that was an extremely fun exercise in doing things that you're probably not supposed to do for the sake of making a video for YouTube. Before I could even finish editing this video, I checked out Instagram and a couple of you have already found these mugs. Congratulations to those two. Those are some good looking mugs. Not your faces, the actual mugs that I made. If you have any other ideas for things that you want to see upcycled from Goodwill, be sure that you leave them down in the comments below. And hell, I just may randomly select one of you down there to win this anal but first coffee mug. Whether you want it or not. It. I also want to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Audible. Be sure that you check them out, audible.com/threadbanger, or text ThreadBanger to 500-500. For if it was not for them, we would not be here, so please click on that link down below, and we will see you around here next time.